Hello, my name is Mrs. English. Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we will practice 200 sentences together. Listen carefully and repeat after me. You can pause the video anytime you need. Take your time and practice as many times as you want. Are you ready? Let's begin. I want to make plans today. Do you have time tomorrow? We can meet on Friday. She is planning a party. What are you doing tonight? I am free this weekend. Let's go to the movies. He wants to visit his friend. Can we meet at noon? They are making plans together. I need to check my calendar. Do you want to have lunch? We should plan our trip soon. She is busy next week. What time works for you? I can meet you at 3. Let's plan something fun this Saturday. He is going to call me later. Are you free on Monday morning? They want to go shopping together. I will make a plan tonight. Can you come to my house? We are meeting at the coffee shop. And she wants to plan her birthday party. What day is good for you? I am going to visit my parents. Let's meet at the park tomorrow. He needs to check his schedule first. Do you have plans this evening? They are planning a dinner party. I want to invite my friends over. Can we go to the beach Sunday? We need to decide on a time. She is making plans for the holidays. What are your plans for tonight? I don't have any plans yet. Let's make plans for next month. He is planning to travel in June. Are you doing anything special tomorrow? They want to meet us downtown. I will call you this afternoon. Can we change our plans to Thursday? We are going to the restaurant early. She wants to plan a picnic outside. What time should we meet up? I am planning to study tonight. Let's go to the museum this weekend. He can't come to the meeting today. Do you want to make plans now? They are planning their wedding together. I need to cancel my plans tonight. Can you meet me at the station? We should plan our vacation soon. She is going to book the tickets. What are you planning to do Saturday? I want to make dinner plans tonight. Let's plan to meet at 7 o'clock. He is planning a surprise for her. Are you available next Tuesday afternoon? They are going to the concert together. I will send you the details later. Can we meet earlier than that time? We are planning to leave at noon. She wants to organize a small meeting. What should we do this weekend together? I am going to make a reservation. Let's plan a movie night at home. He needs to confirm the time first. Do you have time for coffee tomorrow? They want to plan a group activity. I can't make plans until next week. Can you come to the party Friday? We are planning to cook dinner together. She is going to invite everyone tonight. What time is best for the meeting? I want to plan a trip abroad. Let's schedule our next meeting for Monday. He is planning to buy the tickets. Are you planning anything for your birthday? They need to make plans very soon. I will check if I am free. Can we postpone our meeting until tomorrow? We are going to meet at the library. She wants to plan something special for him. What day can everyone meet together comfortably? I am planning to finish work early. Let's make plans to see each other. He is going to suggest a time. Do you want to join us tomorrow? They are planning to arrive at 8. I need to look at my calendar. Can you tell me your schedule today? We should plan this more carefully together. She is planning to host the party. What are your plans for the summer? I want to make plans with you. Let's decide on a place to meet. He can meet us at the office. Are you making any plans this month? They want to plan a fun activity. I will let you know my answer soon. Can we meet at the shopping mall tomorrow? We are planning to go hiking next weekend. She wants to make plans for her vacation. What time do you finish work each day? I am going to check with my family. Let's plan to have breakfast together on Sunday. He is planning to visit the new museum. Do you have any free time this week? They are going to organize a birthday celebration. I need to make plans for next month. Can you help me plan this special event? We should meet before the movie starts tonight. She is planning to go shopping with her sister. What are you going to do after work today? I want to plan a nice dinner party. Let's make plans to visit the art gallery. He needs to finish his work before making plans. Are you planning to travel during the summer holidays? They want to meet us at the new restaurant. I will make a plan and tell you. Can we go to the park in the afternoon? We are planning to celebrate our anniversary next month. She wants to plan a surprise party for him. What time do you usually wake up every morning? I am going to make a list of things. Let's plan something fun for the long weekend ahead. He is planning to take some time off work. Do you want to make plans for this evening? They are going to decide on a date soon. I can't make it to the meeting today. Can you come to my office tomorrow morning instead? We should plan our schedule for the whole week. She is planning to move to a new apartment. What are your plans after you finish school today? I want to plan a special surprise for her. Let's meet at the train station at 5 o'clock. He is going to call everyone about the plans. Are you planning to stay home this weekend completely? They need to plan their trip before buying tickets. I will make sure I am free that day. Can we change the time to something later today? We are planning to visit our friends in the city. She wants to plan activities for the children tomorrow. What do you want to do on your day off? I am going to make plans with my family. Let's plan to go to the beach if weather permits. He is planning to start his new job next week. Do you have any plans for the Christmas holiday season? They want to plan a group trip to the mountains. I need to think about my plans more carefully. Can you meet me at the coffee shop near work? We should plan to leave early to avoid the traffic. She is planning to learn a new language this year. What are you planning to cook for dinner this evening? I want to make plans to see my old friends. Let's plan to have a picnic in the park tomorrow. He needs to make plans for his mother's birthday party. Are you planning to buy a new car this year? They are going to plan everything together this time. I will send you a message about the plans. Can we plan to meet once a week regularly now? We are planning to watch a movie at home tonight. She wants to plan her wedding for next spring season. What time do you want to meet for lunch today? I am going to make dinner plans for all of us. Let's plan a trip to visit the beach next month. He is planning to save money for a big vacation. Do you want to plan something special for the weekend? They need to make plans before the end of summer. I can meet you any time after work tomorrow. Can you help me plan my birthday party this year? We should plan to exercise together at the gym regularly. She is planning to visit her grandparents next weekend safely. What are your plans for the next few months ahead? I want to plan a romantic dinner for my partner. Let's make plans to go to the concert next month. He is going to plan a meeting with his team. Are you planning to go anywhere during your vacation time? They want to plan a special celebration for their anniversary. I will make a final decision about the plans tonight. Can we plan to spend more time together this month? We are planning to redecorate our living room space this year. She wants to plan healthy meals for the whole week. What do you think about my plans for the future? I am going to plan my schedule more carefully now. Let's plan to meet every weekend if that works well. He is planning to ask for some vacation days soon. Do you have any plans to visit your family next month? They are going to plan their retirement together very carefully. I need to make sure everyone can come that day. Can you confirm the plans with everyone else in group? We should plan ahead to make everything go smoothly tomorrow. She is planning to start a new hobby this coming year. What are you planning to do after you finish this course? I want to make plans that will make everyone happy. Let's plan to do something different and exciting this time. He needs to discuss the plans with his family first. Are you planning to make any big changes this year? They want to plan their future together as a couple. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.